Okay, so I do wear hair extensions, which I already have clipped in right now. I'm not going to show you guys that, but if you do want to see that, I can make a separate video. So to start, when my hair is damp right out of the shower, I put this in it. It's called It's a 10, and it's like literally my saving grace favorite product. It saves my blonde hair from being super damaged, and it makes it smell good. It does like 10 things. So like the bottle says all the 10 things it does, including heat protectant spray. But in addition to that, I do put heat protectant spray on it. This is the Sebastian Trilliant. I will link it with the video, but this I just spray on when my hair is damp a little bit too. And lastly, I use a wet brush. I'm sure you guys have heard of this before. I'm sure if you don't already have one, you've definitely heard of it. But I love these brushes because it's really gentle on my extensions. But not too gentle. It still like actually brushes my hair and gets the tangles out. Okay, so the curling iron that I use is this Conair. It's super old. It's like a 1-inch barrel, and it's worked for like 6 years. I seriously have had it forever, and I've never had any problems with it. So to start, I just section off my hair, and I just pull it up on top of my head into like a messy bun. Nothing fancy over here. Then I just brush out the section that I'm going to be working with, and I always curl away from my face. I just like the way the curl looks better that way, and I think it makes it look bright. So like makes it look big and not bright, but like big and kind of accentuates your face. So I take the curling iron and I go in right at the middle of the hair, and I inch it down just a little bit. Then I start wrapping it around, and I leave just about an inch out of the curling iron itself. I hold it on for maybe 5 seconds, and then I pull it like this, and I just drag the end out. That is gonna give me that nice loose wave look that I want. I'm not gonna brush it out yet. Okay, then I'm moving on to my next section, and I'm just going to, I usually do thirds, so the top layer I like to keep a little bit smaller so that I can really style those pieces. So I'm just going to do the same thing with this next section, same away from the face. Okay, so then I'm just gonna take this top layer down, and my hair is actually really wavy naturally. So after I blow dry it, I just kind of went through with a straightener and just straightened the tops of things a little bit just to make my life easier because it is so wavy. So yeah, I do straighten just these parts to get them nice and flat laying. But I don't do anything to the bottom, as you can tell. It's really messy. So I'm just gonna go through and get the part that I like. Then I'm going to curl away from my face again. This big front section. I really don't do anything different with these front pieces. Just kind of curl it in the same way that I do the rest of my head. They're just a little bit shorter, so I still keep 1 inch out. I don't hold them on as long because my hair is super, it holds curl really well. And I just find pieces that need curling and work back. Sometimes I think these front pieces need just a little bit extra. So if I have to go over again, curl it just a little bit. I'm losing my voice, what the heck? I do that, and then I just pull it all together. For the finished look, I just go through and brush it all out. And I don't use hairspray or anything. I just like my hair to be kind of lightweight and natural feeling, so I really don't put any products other than those two in the beginning that I explained in, but my hair does hold curl really well, so if you need hairspray to hold your curl, like, go for it. This is just how my hair works. So yep, this is the finished product, and if you guys have any questions, let me know. Thanks for watching.